your girl Sweet Angel here. Listen, yep, got the eyeglasses on because I've been working. Y'all know how it goes. Today, we're going to be talking about how you're going to dry your clothes. Now, it's always a misconception on drying clothes. And the funny part about it is, y'all, I was subject to this too. Let me show you what I use to dry my clothes. I'll put the eyeglasses back on because I'm probably going to need that. Now, I do use a fabric softener in my wash as well. However, I still use bounce dryer sheets. And the one thing I didn't know about bounce dryer sheets, or probably any dryer sheets, let me tell you something about this. It tells you for best results, for large loads, use 3 dryer sheets. For medium loads, use 2 dryer sheets, and for one small load, use 1 dryer sheet. Okay, I have always, before maybe 5 years ago, used 1 dryer sheet. Now I use 3 mostly all the time, but I use 3 dryer sheets now. And I'm in the laundry room, which is AKA our storage room. It's a huge room. However, we pack everything in here. We have a little freezer in here. I have file cabinet. I have totes of things that I keep for no particular reason. And I'll just put those dryer sheets right up there where they go. And now let's load the dryer. Let me show you something. And the laundry room also doubles as the doggies' bedroom during the winter months when it's cold, so they've been in here as well. Got a lot going on. All right, this is the dryer. Y'all know we just recently got a new dryer here, the LG, and I don't know what it does, but it does a little bit of everything from actually steaming the clothes to drying the clothes, yada yada yada. But anyway, love it though. I do love it a lot. It opens 2 different ways. You can open it like so, which is cool, and you can open it like so, which is cool as well. We'll do it this way since I'm demonstrating putting the stuff in there, and I'm going to dump in my 3 dryer sheets, my 3 bounce dryer sheets. And if you're new to drying clothes and you got your own dryer and you're not at the laundry mat, there is a lint catcher here. Make sure you cleanse this out, and you know, I just use a damp paper towel and, you know, just brush it off in the trash can, making sure that it's nice and clean. You don't want anything to catch fire. You don't want it to stop up the ventilation of the dryer. Okay, so now let's get the clothes out. Or the towels. The one thing about your laundry, when you get it out of the washer, make sure you shake it and shake it loose a little bit and throw it in there. It will fluff a lot better if you do that. Again, shake it, throw it in, shake it loose. Now I do dry my shower curtain for a little while. I will get it out of there shortly because it doesn't necessarily have to dry completely. And that's it. Now I'm so short, I use tongs to get the items out of the actual washer because I'm short. I need this, y'all. So these are my washer tongs. My arms are so short that, honey, if I don't, then guess what? It ain't gonna work. I'll be falling over in it. And we'll just close it up. All right, so we're here to the settings. Some kind of way it's already on. I accidentally hit the button, but I use the antibacterial one, which puts it on like very dry. Temperature is high, and it'll dry for almost an hour or so before I check it. I'll come in midway of it and just to see, get my shower curtain out, and all I have to do is press this button here to stop it, and this button starts it back. Again, we'll set it again, antibacterial, and we'll just press play here. Press play, like so. And that's it. That is the process of me drying the clothes, and I'm out of here. See y'all on the next one. Bye.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? We lost all ambition. Think you